What if I told you you could launch a business with $0? No rich parents, no fancy degree. Just like one idea, this 20-year-old had no money but a big dream. In like 90 days, they built a business from scratch, using free AI tools, social media, and hustle. If they did it, what's stopping you? It started with one simple idea. What if I sell eco-friendly products online? No factory, no stock, just print on demand. They used free design tools like Canva and AI logos. Then, made a free website with Shopify's trial. The goal? Test the idea, fast and cheap. They launched the site. No one came. But instead of quitting, they posted on TikTok. One short video went viral. 10,000 views overnight. Friends started sharing. Orders trickled in. First $20 sale, then $200. Proof it works. They joined free Discord groups for young founders, asked questions, shared progress, got real feedback, learned to run Instagram ads for like $5 a day, partnered with micro-influencers for shoutouts. The store went from 2 sales to 20 a day. Momentum is everything. Not every day was easy. Some ads failed. Some weeks, 0 sales. Doubt creeped in. But they kept showing up, kept learning, kept improving. One influencer video hit 100,000 views. Boom, $1,500 in a weekend. Today, that broke student runs a 6-figure brand. It all started with $0 and one decision. So here's your sign. Start small, use free tools, believe when no one else does. Subscribe for more real stories like this. You could be next.